Welcome guys. Let's do Binance Coin BNB technical analysis, and let me please tell you what are the targets right now. And please subscribe my channel and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges, go to in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses absolutely free. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets. This is a strong trend line which indicating that Binance Coin is in uptrend right now. Here you can see several confirmations, several touches, and here you can see several touches. And now after hitting $333, BNB is at $328 right now. This downtrend line and this box area is this main spot for the BNB coin, and BNB price should have to hold these areas. This area is very important. Let me please show you what are this area. This area is very important. Once BNB hold this area, in that case after touching this zone, price can move like this. Let me please show you. Price can move like this. Here you can see. And once BNB price break this box, in that case I think price can make new all-time high, maybe in Binance chart. We have to wait. If unfortunately BNB coins price break this support zone and downtrend line, in that case the major support zone is at $317, and then $300 area is the major support zone. But I think this is very strong support for the Binance coin, and after hitting this, Binance coin should have to move towards upside, and it can break this box area which is $340. Once Binance coin break this area, in that case we can expect some bullish actions in price of Binance coin. We have to wait. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. This is a strong EMA ribbon, and now it is acting like a support zone, and it is at 325, which is a very good sign. Let me please show you volume. Volume is not satisfactory. We need that kind of volume, but now volume towers are very small. We have to wait for the strong confirmation. Strong confirmation means strong volume. Once volume comes in charts, definitely price of Binance coin will move towards upside. Let me please show you 4-hour chart. Here you can see in 4-hour chart Binance is in this ascending wedge, and this is a very bullish pattern, and according to the time frame, according to the trend, and after hitting this upper trend line $338, Binance coin price is again at $328. Maybe price can retest this zone, and after hitting this zone, price I think can move towards upside, and after that it can move like this. And once Binance coin break this ascending wedge towards upside, in that case this will be a bullish signal, and after that we may see a big move in Binance coin price. We have to wait because of this breakout, and if this breakout comes with strong volume, in that case price of the Binance coin definitely will move towards upside. And here you can see there are these towers are not satisfactory. We need that kind of big volumes, but currently volume is missing. That is why maybe we can see some sideways action in these two lines, and in this pattern we have to wait. We have to be very careful. And if you still not subscribe my channel, friends, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please like this video and share this video with all of your friends. And let me please show you one thing which is very good, and let me first remove this. This is Fibonacci retracement tool, and here you can see it is clearly indicating that Binance is in this uptrend, and after hitting this zone, Binance price can hit again this zone $305, and Binance have to hold this area $305. This is strong support zone according to the this February retracement, and once BNB break this, it can go down to 296, and once BNB break this upper trend line and $340 area, in that case definitely it will create new new targets, and it will, I think, hit $450. I think this is the minimum target, I think, which is very much achievable. Binance Coin can hit these targets. We have to wait because of this upper trend line. Once Binance Coin break this upper trend line, in that case price of the Binance Coin definitely move towards upside. And let me please show you EMA ribbon, 4 hourly EMA ribbon. Candles are far away, and it is at $370, and now it is acting like a support zone for the Binance Coin. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily chart there are some patterns. It is like a symmetrical triangle, and this is a horizontal channel. You can say upward channel, or you can say uptrend channel. But let me please show you the targets. Here you can see, if I zoom this in daily chart, here you can see this area is very, very important. A breakout comes, and after that here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can see, you can see clearly, this area should have to act like a support zone. This trend resistance line should have to act like a support zone right now, and after hitting this, I think price have to move towards upside and can hit 375 according to the pattern. This will be the target, and I think it can hold this zone 375. I think so. This is not a technical, this is not a financial advice or a trade signal, just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. And if we calculate this height of this symmetrical triangle, then target will be 575, maybe 550, but we need strong volume. But unfortunately here you can see volume is missing. In daily chart, Binance Coin has no volume, very low volume, very low volume, and this is the indication. Maybe we can see some sideways action in Binance Coin. If volume comes, then $375 to $400 and $425 are the targets for the Binance Coin right now. And if I delete this, all this, and after that, let me please pull this. Here you can see BNB price is currently at holding this zone 0.5, and once BNB break this zone and move towards downside, in that case it will be in golden pocket 0.61, and price will be $300. But I think it have to break $350, and this area 0.38. Once BNB break this, in that case our next target is $435, this next trend line, and I think BNB can do this very in very short time. But the only condition is the volume is missing. This is my technical analysis, friend. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please like this video, and please thumbs up this and share this video with all your friends. And if you want to get these bonuses, go to in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses, which are tradable, which are withdrawable too. Thanks for the watching, and keep supporting me. Take care.